Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be talking about Surface Pro keyboard not working, and in 2026 these are some solutions that I have and hopefully it can help you out with your problem. So number one is honestly just trying all like the software solutions out there. I have multiple solutions that you can check out. I have one that's looking at like a BIOS setup, where you're like running it straight from BIOS. I have one that's just like uninstalling, reinstalling like the drivers, and so just like digging into that. So I'll provide like my most popular like software solutions, and you can check that out, and I'll put it up here. And then also number two, you can like check if your Surface device is still under warranty, and then reach out to Microsoft, because it could be potential that maybe there's something wrong with like the hardware that's like connecting between the bottom port and then also like the keyboard. So that's also a big thing, and that was also one of the issues that I ran into with my own Surface Pro device, and the repair cost, because it wasn't within warranty, but this was also like 5 or so years ago, was about $250, and that's like with labor and parts and everything. So it could be a lot more now considering inflation. But then number three is more for if all the above didn't work and your device is not under warranty, honestly just buy like a third-party Bluetooth keyboard, and you can literally spend like $30 to $50. Your experience is going to be like the same. If anything, there's a lot more keyboards out there, and honestly like there's more customization, colors, designs that you can you know, honestly try out. And if it doesn't work, you can always return it if you buy it on like Amazon. So Amazon has a really great return policy. So that's what I would recommend. It's just like if you are buying it and you know that maybe your bottom port's not working, make sure like how the keyboard charges isn't by the bottom port, and that it charges by its own, like maybe you have to plug it in through like the USB-C or something, so it plugs into the keyboard and then directly into the like Surface Pro device. I could probably show like a little screenshot here to just so it like makes sense. So anyways, those are my like top 3 solutions. If you have any questions, comments, let me know down below. And other than that, see you guys next time. Have a good year. Peace.